thank you so much for being here today, guys. I have to tell you, this week has been so busy and I was not able to create as much as I'd like. So I appreciate you being here, and please just enjoy some painting time, and I will talk to you guys in a bit. Hello, good morning. Okay. So last week I went over my goals for the year, and I'm very excited. I'm actually very excited. So I do have a wholesale that I'm going to be doing, and I need to actually get everything ready, and I need to actually order some inventory, and then I need to do an official invoice. Super excited. So one store check, so 2 more stores to go to get my stuff into. This week I'm actually going to be prepping for a sale because it's International Sticker Day on the 13th of January, and so I wanted to do a 25% off sticker sale. So by the time you see this, the sale will be over, but I have to do some promotion and some pictures, and I'm going to do some pictures on Canva to promote on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff. I don't know how well they'll do because, man, social media does not like it when you try to use other platforms, especially TikTok. But who knows? TikTok might not even be around here very soon, so we'll just have to wait and see. But that is the plan for this week. I am still working on my acorns and my mushrooms. Today, I have to take my daughter to a party off the island, so that'll give me an opportunity to go to Hobby Lobby and see what things I can find along with some painting. And then I have a store that is in town that's going out of business, and I am like so sad. So sad, but I know she has a lot of mixed media things, so I'm probably gonna go and purchase some stuff since she is trying to sell everything in the store. So I really want to go do that, but I'm really sad that they're closing. But there's some really exciting news. It's the store, Whidbey Island Crafters Market and Studio. They are going to be holding my stuff. So as soon as my stuff is actually in the store and all set up, I will do a blog or a video, and I'll also kind of like share other makers that are in the store because she has some really cool stuff, and you can actually rent a booth there. So gotta promote our stores that have our products in it, right? So going forward, today, I'm not going to have any painting time today because it's already 6:30, and yeah, no, life gets busy. I still have not heard back from Ren Fair, so hopefully I'll hear something because I need to start preparing for that. But I'm trying to get painting time whenever I can with the puppy. That just adds another thing. That, and I'm working. I don't have a day off without my kids around right now because I'm helping my daughter's school with swimming lessons. So that kind of takes things. That and this week. This week is going to be really busy, mostly because of my full-time job. You can hear my pup. He's like in the crate right now. We're crate training him. It's hard, but it's necessary because he's going to be huge and I can't have him sleeping in our bed, especially when we still have our 8-year-old who's still trying to sleep in the bed with us. But yeah, some really super exciting things happening. So we will see how this all plays out. I am looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to this year at all, period. I just love that I already checked off one thing on my list for this year, which is great. So, all right, guys. I actually have some extra things to list. So I still have not listed. So I'm doing that sticker sale. And I still have stickers that I have that I need to post or I need to list. So that luckily it's not that not a ton, but I do need to get them listed on my Etsy. So that's what I'm going to prioritize to do before my kids get up. And then you will come along with me on my trip off island and we will do some shopping together. It'll be fun. So this vlog will be a little bit different and a little bit more fun. It's going to be more of a vloggy versus a studio. Maybe. We'll see. All right. See you guys later. Okay, so I ended up not filming our shopping trip, mostly because it was just a little hectic. That was my kid driving a go-kart. They're doing like their practice round. She's never done this before, but actually did really well. So proud of her. I also wanted to share my sticker promotion for International Sticker Day. That was actually last week, now that you guys see this. The sale went okay. I mean, I got two purchases, which is fine. You know, I expect it to be that way. I don't expect to get a lot of sales right now because honestly, I just don't have a huge following. So I'm hoping maybe eventually that will change, but I thought I would just show you this just to give you an idea. So if you make stickers or something, this kind of gives you a bit of an idea of what you could do. Really, I think the last end of this video, I'm going to kind of just show you some of the content that I posted on social media, just in case you haven't seen it. And it was just a really slow week. It's been really hard for me to actually find time to create. So this I actually drew in my van while I was waiting in the pickup line. That's how stretched I am for time to make anything. I want to be doing a lot more painting, but honestly, I just haven't had time. And the mushrooms and acorns are taking way longer, mostly because there's a lot of time waiting for painting. But on here, this is actually me drawing on my tablet. I use the program Procreate and it's pretty awesome. And this design is like very, very different. So I also wanted to share in the next video is kind of like a mini vlog that I did on my social media just to see how it does. So here we go. Hey there, welcome to a week as a part-time creative. This is my puppy, Jax. He's still not fully vaccinated, so he is inside and I am walking him inside and playing with him so much. This week, actually this whole month, I've been volunteering at my daughter's school at swimming lessons, taking them over there. At my daughter's soccer practice, the moon was gorgeous and I was actually able to do some painting. This is actually mushrooms and some acorns that are soon going to be bag charms. I'm super excited to start working on the hardware. And over the weekend, I made a chore chart for my kid. This week, I'm also getting ready for my wholesale order and finally getting back into Bible study. Thanks for watching.